Dude, there's a bunch of them. Let's get the fishing. Dude, there's like 5 of them right here. Got him, got him, got him. I got him, I got him. Dang, son. I got him, I got him.
First cast.
Yeah. Oh, snap, dude. Look at that rod bend. Holy crap, dude. Look at that rod bend. Gosh, dude, this thing's a giant. Yeah, let's go. Ah. Dude, look at that.
The jerkbait.
Dude, look at his mouth, dude.
That's a male.
Is that a male?
Male, dude.
Dude, look at that, guys.
There's a PB right there.
Dang, son.
Guys.
What's that sound? What's your phone doing, dude? I guess I need to wet my hands, right? What's up, guys? Welcome to King Basset here. Oh shoot! First, all right, guys. First trout here. First cast. Let's get a release on this bad boy. Go and check that out. Man, he got a little something wrong with his mouth, but awesome trout. Oh god, he got some white stuff on me.
Stuff, bro.
Oh, dude, what the? What the? Let's get a release on him though. Here we go. All right, there he goes. Awesome stuff. Let's catch another one. Let's go. Dude, guys, let's talk about what I just caught that trout on. This is the Hardcore X Minnow 70 floating bass jerkbait right here. This little thing. I've got it on 6-pound fluoro and 20-pound braid. Man, let's go. So all I did right here was just throw it out there, jerked it 3-4 times here, pause, 3 or 4, pause. Dude, look, there's like 4 more freaking trout right there. Dang, son. What's this duck doing? You know what? Here we go. Let's try to catch another one. Oh, dang, he's got a big one. Get the net. Oh, Bass and Coffee's got one. Bass and Coffee's got a giant. Let's grab the camera, turn it on. Watch out for the lures.
Let's catch another one. It's got him, it's got him. Get the camera out.
All right, gang. We just got done filming for Bass and Coffee over there since he caught one, and Dapper Bass since he caught another one. Or actually not another one, his first one. Let's get back to fishing and see if we can't catch some more. He's got another one. Go help him. Huh? You film it? I can edit.
Well, guys, second fish of the day. Nice little trout. Oh. I made sure it didn't hit the ground. I just tossed it in the water right there. Let's catch some more.
Damn.
Fifth fish. Yeah. Oh, one just jumped up here.
Double up, come on, double up, let's go. See if we can't double up. with Bass and Coffee right here before he puts it up. Got him! Got him! There it is. Doubled up. Get him in there. Get him in there. Got him. Yes. Dang, son, look at that guy's doubled up. Let's get the release together. Me and Bass and Coffee.
There you go, guys. Double sandwich.
Double sandwich. There's that one. And there goes that one.
There he goes. There you go. Let's go.
Let's go catch another one, guys. Yeah. Got another one, dude. Got another one. Dude, this is bigger. This is bigger. It's a lot bigger. Oh, man, dude. Come here. Yes. Come on. Come on, get in the net. Get in the net. In the net. In the net. In the net. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Son.
Damn, that's a nice one.
Dude, that's a good one.
Oh, my knees.
Oh, let's get back in the water. There he goes. Good deal. Yeah. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Give me the net, son. Got him. Got him. Got him. Dang, dude. This dude's going crazy. Got him. Get over here. There it is. Dope.
There you go.
Dope. Let's take it over to the pliers. Alright, gang, that is a beautiful fish right there. Hope you guys can see it. Let's go ahead and give him a release. Okay, here we go. Alright, dude. Take off. There he goes. Yep. There you go, dude. Perfect. You're good. Let's catch another one. That's number 4. Let's go.
Trout today in this little pond. It's got some big ones in there. Big 2, 3, 4 pounders. We'll catch some big ones. I don't think they're chasing the spinnerbait.
Got him. There's one. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm recording. Dude, that's a big one. That's a big mama. That's big mama right there. Yeah, buddy. Give me this. Got her. Got her. Oh. Oh. What the? Oh my gosh. All right. Here we go. Nice. Whew. Let's go. Keep fishing forward. Oh, I mean, just keep fishing. That's right, guys. Just when the fishing got tough, I remembered what I've always kept saying, just keep fishing. And guess what? There's one. We're trying to.
What's up, guys? End of the day, we caught a bunch of trout. It was a fun day. I'm Bass and Coffee. Hope you guys subscribe to me, and as well, go subscribe to that Bass over there. He likes to dive for his fish, so give this video one of these. Not one of these, man. Nobody wants to see one of these. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time on King Bassin'.